Hi everybody. Winter is setting in, so lot of vegetables are available. These red carrots, peas, cabbage. So let us make the best use of it. Let us make a lovely vegetable, which will be very simple yet extremely tasty, using all these vegetables. And along with this, I will make bread rolls, which will be homemade, made out of half wheat and half maida flours. So let us begin with the procedure. For the vegetables, I am going to add pasta. I have taken 2 tablespoons of pasta, the normal ones, the tube type, and I am going to put it to boil with little salt and oil. After it boils, I'll just run it through cold water and then keep it aside. Now let us chop these vegetables, the winter vegetables, that is peas, carrots, cabbage, cauliflower, potatoes, and other vegetables. If you want to use whatever is available, like turnips, you can add, they also taste very good, and some garlic and some onions. First we will make the vegetable, then we will make the bread rolls. Now let us do the chopping. Chop the carrots, the potatoes, as well as the cauliflower, very small pieces, because we are going to just steam them. We are not going to put any oil or anything. Make them into small pieces so that they get ready very quickly. And take 7 to 8 pieces of garlic, chop them fine. And I will need 1 tablespoon of butter, salted or unsalted, any will do, and salt and black pepper. That is all. We are going to make a very simple yet very tasty vegetable, which will have its own taste and flavors. I just wanted to mention one thing, that before you chop the vegetables, you wash them thoroughly in water and then leave them to dry and then chop them fine and keep them aside. You never chop and then wash the vegetables. They are always washed and then chopped. Take some oil, just very little, add some butter to it, 1 tablespoon, and then add the garlic pieces and toast them for 2 to 3 seconds, very lightly. Now add the vegetables. Wow, see the color. These winter vegetables are so tempting, so beautiful, so tasty, so fresh. मजा आ जाता है. And on slow flame, just cover it. You can add little bit of water if you want and let them get ready. I will add salt and pepper last. Now in its own water it will get done. So actually there is no need to add any water, but still if you feel you need to, then you can add very little water. Every piece is separated out from the other. This we will add to the vegetable after the vegetable. Let us add some salt. As per taste, and little bit of black pepper. That's all, and put off the gas. Freshly ground black pepper. And now I will add the pasta. So my vegetable is ready. Now let us start making the bread buns. You can sprinkle some chopped green coriander leaves. Coriander is very good for the kidneys, for the digestive system. You must add it to your vegetables. It gives good color, good flavor, as well as it is healthy to eat. So now my vegetable is ready. Very yummy, absolutely simple and delicious. You can make parathas also out of this. You can make cutlets out of this. And now we are going to use it with bread rolls, bread buns. Now let us make the bread buns or the bread rolls, whatever you can say. For this I'm going to use this measuring cup, a small cup. I will be using 2.5 cups of flour. I'll take 2 cups of maida and half cup of wheat flour. Then I will need 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of dry instant yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, that is all, and 2 cups of warm water or warm milk, or 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of water, and it has to be absolutely lukewarm. And I will need 1 tablespoon of milk powder, that is everyday milk powder, and maximum 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil or butter you can use while kneading. I'm going to take 2 cups of maida and half cup of whole wheat flour. Now let us add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 full teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of dry instant yeast. This you can add directly, there's no need to put it in water, let it prove and all that. Mix it up thoroughly. Now slowly keep on adding water and start kneading the flour. This is lukewarm water. It should not be very hot, otherwise it will spoil the yeast and your flour will not rise. It has to be lukewarm. Slowly add. Keep on mixing. It is not necessary that you have to use 2 cups of water or milk. It depends on the flour, how much it takes, how much it absorbs. Start kneading. I hardly used 1 cup and slightly more. Keep on kneading. Pull, stretch, fold. Pull, stretch, fold. Pull, stretch, fold. When it starts getting sticky and sticks to your hands as well as to the butter, you can start adding the butter slowly. This is 2 tablespoons of butter. I will be using that for kneading. At least for 15-20 minutes I have to knead, so that the dough becomes very soft and very nice and elastic. After 15 minutes I have added the milk powder also, 1 tablespoon. Now I'll knead for another 10 minutes. After 15-20 minutes of kneading, let us roll it up and cover it, add little butter or oil and then cover it and keep it for 45 minutes. Now let us roll out rotis, one on top of the other. That is the first process after the second proof. This is the baking tray. I have greased it with oil and I am going to place the rotis on this. I have rolled out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rotis. Place them one on top of the other. Now I will sprinkle some dry flour and make them even with the rolling pin. Now let us roll it like this. Join the ends so that it doesn't open up while baking. Close the ends. Roll it nicely, close the ends, and then place it in the pre-greased baking tray. Give it some cuts with the knife so that it gets baked nicely inside out. Now sprinkle little sesame seeds on top. And cover it and keep it for 15 to 20 minutes until it rises up to maximum size. After 10 minutes, keep it in the oven 20 minutes 200 degrees temperature, 10 minutes on one side, 10 minutes on the other side. Keep it to bake. The bread is ready. After 20 minutes, you can cut a slice and serve it along with the plate of pasta and seasonal vegetables. You can cut it into small pieces and serve it along with soups, with vegetables, or as a sandwich. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share, comment. Let me know how this bread and this vegetable is. Seasonal vegetable with pasta. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Enjoy your meal. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Amita Bagai from Amita Bagai's Amazing Kitchen. Thank you so much. This is my today's very yummy simple lunch.